Just a minute. Let's see. To Sammy, love Santa. Go ahead. Open this one.
I need help.
Okay, right here. Here.
Look, see the zombie?
I do.
And it's on.
Hey, Sammy. Go. Rip it open.
What's in there? Happy birthday. Labels.
Turn it around. Look on the other side. Oh, it's a little tea set.
She said that. Look.
Yeah.
The labels.
Yeah, it has ladybugs on it.
Mom,
Oh,
please
boy.
open it.
How did Santa know you wanted ladybugs?
Open it.
Okay, we will. Let's open some more presents.
Maybe
Here.
that one.
Well, hold on. Let's see what else we have. Oh, that one's to Tara. We'll wait because she's pretty busy. This one says, to Sammy, love, Granny, and Papa. This
Help
one's...
me, Mommy.
Okay, go ahead. Pull it right there. That one's from Granny and Papa.